Hello everybody, I have a package here. This is a special case. I normally would not have taken these in, but I figured I'd help the guy out and give him an attempt. So here it is. Open these up. Now he only wants one of these. I normally will not take these if they've been opened. Got my USB cable in the way there. So these have been opened, and I hope he didn't stuff no paper in them. Okay, let's see how bad these are. Okay. So this one's been worked on by somebody else. You can see they've added, a bonding wire damage. We grab something to point with here. Should have my pointer. Where'd my pointer go? Well, I will use a pair of tweezers. Closest thing I can get to here. Let me zoom in here. So this one from his photos, it looked like it had bonding damage. So you can tell right in here. Bonding wires. There's broken wire there. Broken wire over here. Looks like somebody tried to clean it. You can see those bonding wires are damaged. So, and the problem with these is there's so many different jump points that they use. You really don't know which ones. So I'll just have to go through my photos and find one that looks close to figure this out. But yeah, these definitely got broken bonding wires. And see, some of them go into epoxy. You see that one here? Some of them go into epoxy. And if any of those are broken, it's a lot of work. Yeah. So I don't know, did they... Yeah, it's like they put something. Silicone or something. Glue. I don't know, but that's going to be a lot of work to get that back out of there. Looks like they did the same thing in the back here. Those wires look good. It's this one here. That one gets damaged a lot, but that one, it goes over to the ground terminal right there. So I've been mapping these out as I can, and if this one here don't work, what I will do is I'll take the fiber laser and I'll go all the way down and get it down to the board and take a picture of where all they are, so that if there is a broken bonding wire, we can pretty much drill just a precision hole and go for it. But okay, this one here, and he lost the caps, so I don't know which model this was, but I'll try to 3D print something, a cover that can go over it. But okay, and this one, he says, working when in warm weather. You zoom back out here. That is a normal symptom of bad capacitors, so that's generally the only thing that goes wrong with these controllers. Okay, at least he packed it safe. Hopefully there's no bonding wire damage. We'll take it over to the microscope when we're done and check it out. I don't know what is up with this USB cable today. It's like got hard on me all of a sudden. It used to be flexible. Okay. I will cut this open. So this one, I think, had no bonding wire. He didn't have anybody work on it. So it shouldn't have any bonding wire damage. Let's hope not. Those bonding wires are really, really fragile. You'll get inexperienced people in there with a Q-tip and they'll wipe them all out. Okay, let's look at this one. This one might be good to go, but like I said, it's once they've been opened and worked on or opened up, I can't guarantee that the repair is going to be 100% successful. So I've done a couple that have been opened, and I think one of them out of 5 or 6 that have been opened has been a, yeah. This one you can tell the capacitor's dirty. I don't know if you can see that capacitor right there. It's jacked up and swollen. So definitely bad capacitors. So we'll get that one going for him. And this one we'll attempt. So like I said, I normally do not take these. But I do have more coming in tomorrow, or tomorrow's Thursday, so they should be here Thursday or Friday, Monday at the latest. And I told them I'd throw one of those, the best one, in on that repair queue, because he's going to be, I guess, deployed. If I remember this guy correctly, he's military, and he needs this done before he gets deployed and leaves the country. So special exception, I took these when they're opened. So we'll do the best one, which is this one here, and I'll try to 3D print a cover so it'll protect it. So we'll catch y'all later.